Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is another gloriously sunny November day up in the north of Scotland. So I'm going to do something a little bit different, I think. I'm going to summit camp, probably my favourite wee mountain in the country, Stac Pollaidh. So come along with me on a wee adventure. Now, very shortly we're going to just get an incredible view. I love this part of the drive, heading north from Ullapool towards the turn off. It's just class. Oh man, look at that. Getting the first sort of view of Stac Pollaidh now. As you come along this road, it's a magnificent looking mountain. Yeah, so that'll do me. Get parked up here as well. Look at that view. Look at that view of her. Right, what have I got in here? Sleep system. Sleeping bag. Mat. Oh, yep. Water bladder. Gloves, hat. First aid kit. Power bank. I think that's pretty much it. I've got all my layers inside the van. All my camera equipment. Probably better get moving. I've got my food. So, little noodles. And I've got a couple of rehydration meals as well. One for tonight, chicken tikka masala and porridge with blueberries in the morning. Rubbish bag. And that's it. All done. Ready to go. Well, that was quite fortunate. Just about forgot my op kit, burner and gas. Oh my god. I'd have been eating that food cold. No thanks. I'm not carrying 2.5 litres of water for nothing. Right, so it looks like they are building a new car park down here. So I've just parked up the road a little bit. And that is where we're heading for the night. Cannot wait. Okay, so that first section, really up from fence to fence, takes around about 5-10 minutes, but it's straight up. When you're hiking Stac Pollaidh, there's no walk in to warm up. You're straight into it. It's such a brilliant wee hike. Usually takes me about, I don't know, an hour max to get to the main ridge summit. Probably take me a little bit longer today, just with the weight of the pack that I'm carrying and the amount of filming I'm doing. But I do quite like having a wee stop anyway, just so I can take in the views. There's no rush. The mountain's not going anywhere. And yes, light's becoming low. You can see that the sky's changed behind me. It was clear blue when I arrived, but the weather has shifted slightly, as it tends to do in Scotland. Just had to take my mid-layer top off. I'm sweating. Hiking is never easy for me. It's always a struggle, but it's a struggle that I really enjoy. "45 minutes in, just come to this fork in the trail, and you've just got a beautiful view here of the mountains of Assynt, Suilven over there. It's just incredible. Let me show you these views. I forgot how steep the last bit is before you get to the main Bealach. It definitely gets you breathing. I am absolutely sweating. It is quite humid tonight, so whew, almost there, almost up to the main Bealach anyway. Well, I'm up on the main Bealach. What a view in every direction. That is the route beyond to the western summit, which is a proper grade 3 scramble. I will do it one day, but don't fancy doing it on my own, not for that bad step section near the end. Meant to be one of the most difficult scramble summits in the UK. I just wouldn't do it on my own at this stage. If I was with someone experienced, like I was when I did the Unachagig with my mate Rab, then I would do it, I would take it on, but not on this occasion. Plus, I want to get to the eastern summit for sunrise as well. Okay, the tent's all set up, sleep system's set up, layers are on. Now it's time just to sit back and enjoy these views. Let's get the drone in the air. It's actually really tasty. Just silence up here. Absolutely fantastic. No wind, so it's not overly cold. And the clouds are coming in pretty low. I'm just wondering if that's an omen for tomorrow morning. Anyway, I'm going to have this and just relax, then just get ready to get in the tent. Oh, listen to that. No wind whatsoever. I really hope it stays like this, because I'll get a decent kip tonight if it does. Well, good morning. Unfortunately,
It's been a pretty miserable night. The rain and the wind sort of began around about 3 o'clock in the morning, which woke me up. It's not heavy rain, it's not been heavy wind or anything like that really. A few gusts, and even now the rain's it's consistent, but it's not heavy rain. But it's pretty miserable out there. I did get up on quite a few occasions just to sort of check outside. Did get some alerts from the Glendale app for Aurora and went out and had a look, but it was just full of cloud. The rain is hopefully going to stop later on this morning, so I think I'm just going to hunker down until then and hope that it does, and then I can get everything packed up and get off the mountain. Didn't obviously get the sunrise I wanted this morning, but hey, listen, this is the mountains and you just got to take it as it comes. You don't get to decide. The mountain always decides at the end of the day. You just take what you can get. Everything else is packed, good to go. I'm not that cold, but it's pretty brutal. If I turn this mic off, you'll hear exactly how windy it is. Looks just a little bit different than it did yesterday, doesn't it? Literally can't see any of the mountains. Anyway, I'm just going to concentrate on getting myself back down the mountain safely. Oh, I got the tent packed up with great difficulty in the winds, but got there. And I finally descended far enough down, kind of below the clouds, to start getting a view again. Fantastic. Well, I made it back down and the sun's come out. What are the chances? The clouds finally cleared from the wee mountain. Looks magnificent again from down here. But that's me. I'm pretty tired, pretty shattered. I'm going to head to Ullapool, go to the leisure centre, use the swimming pool and the showers, get freshened up. And I'm just going to lie in my bed, have a lazy day, watch the football all day, just chill out. I'm definitely going to need an early night tonight. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe. Take care. See you next week. Join me next week for a flying visit to the quite stunning Dunrobin Castle, followed by a wee adventure to the often overlooked but quite remarkable Wallago Steps, before I settle in for the night at probably my favourite castle ruin in Scotland, Castle Sinclair Gurnago. Like and subscribe for more van life adventures.